Hello there. Thank you for viewing my Upwork portfolio. This is my inbox that I organize every Sunday. And what I do is, whenever there is an email that I need to read again in the future, I simply add this read again label to it, as you can see here. And I add this must do label to emails that contain actions that I need to take as soon as possible. Also, if there's any email that I need to read again whenever I open my inbox, I know I said that earlier, but I just mark them as unread instead of adding this label to them. Okay, this is what I do. I mark them as unread, and that's what I've done for these three emails. Also, if there are newsletters that I do not need, I just simply unsubscribe from them. But you can see I need these newsletters here. But the ones that I don't need, I've already unsubscribed from them already, and I delete emails that are unnecessary. So if you need a virtual assistant to organize your inbox like this, I am the best person for the job. Please send me an invite. I look forward to working with you.